Always running out of battery when you need your phone the most? Or tired of those cheap car chargers that charge slowly or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the FLYLEAD JR-CL07 Superfast Charger, a versatile charger designed to keep all your devices powered. With dual USB ports, a built-in 5-foot coiled USB-C cable, and QC 3.0 support, it delivers fast charging for smartphones, tablets on every drive. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the FLYLEAD JR-CL07 charger with built-in cable, user manual, specifications, installation. Start by locating your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, usually found near the center console or under the dashboard. Make sure the socket is free of dust or debris for a secure connection. Next, insert the car charger directly into the socket until it fits properly. How to connect. Connect your device using the appropriate cable. For USB-C compatible devices, use the built-in 5-foot coiled USB-C cable for fast charging. For devices with USB-A ports, utilize the 18-watt Quick Charge 3.0 port. For iPhones, an additional lightning cable is required. Once connected, your device should begin charging instantly. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.